Guys, so if you have two SIM cards and you don't know how to switch between them, I'm going to show you in this video. First, you have to go to the settings, and after that to connections, and here you can see SIM card manager option. You have to choose that one, and you can see that there is SIM card 1, and I do not have second SIM card, but if you have, then you will be able to choose between those two SIM cards. And here you can see the preferred SIM card options like calls, messages, and mobile data usage. So if you have the second SIM card, here will appear that you can choose not SIM 1 but SIM 2 as well. Thank you so much for your attention, and hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye.